need to give you something.
Let's go! I need to give you something. I'm subscribed.
Yeah. Cadet, I need to give you something.
No,
Cadet, I need to give you something. Cadet, come here. Cadet, I need to give you these.
Stop.
Bro,
Hey, Cadet.
Cadet.
Thank you for the big
Real quick, bro.
Stop.
Yo, what I'm gonna do?
Can I give you a
By the way, I'm all over the video, by the way. I also met Reborn.
You know what? Cadet.
You accepted 2 of mine.
Hey, Cadet. Cadet, can I say something, bro? Can I say something? Bro, Cadet, bro, I love your channel.
Your best bet just actually saying it rather than asking just, can you say something?
Where are you? Take this, bro.
Cadet, bro,
Can I say something? Can I say something? Cadet, I'm subscribed.
Yeah, I'm subscribed. When you on my blade.
You're subscribed too, man. Where are you?
Take me with you.
Unreal, take me with you, please.
Take me with you, Unreal.
Take me with you, please. I have family. Thank you so much. Cadet, get your ass back here. Thank you so much, my signal. Alright, then. Hey, Cadet, take this back. Yo, change channel, Cadet.
Everyone, stay quiet. Let Cadet speak. Stay quiet. Let Cadet speak.
Guys, you know this is one of my teleportation
Cadet, I
videos,
have
right?
something.
Where are you? Wait, what did you say? Maybe I was gonna die. Cadet. Wait, hold up. Let me. Cadet, I have something for you.
Get your ass back
I
here.
have something for you.
Cadet, I friended you. Yo, Cadet, I added you.
Cadet,
I added you.
Cadet, I have a gift for you.
You know we're friends, right? We're friends, right?
Unreal,
Unreal, we're friends, right?
Unreal, come over here. Unreal, come over here.
Unreal, bro. We're friends, right?
Cadet, I have
Cadet, can you rate my fit?
Can you rate my fit? Cadet, I will track you down to the freaking end of time. Cadet.
Cadet,
Whoa, it's not even.
Cadet, I hear you now.
Cadet, look behind you. Cadet, look behind you.
F-U-C.
We're not gonna be able to get anything done if we keep pestering.
Cadet.
But I